Okay, today I'm learning you how to read them book, modern and page, Sunday school, church. Yes. Holam pulo you ikut. You must holam masamya. Because you know holam masamya? You start look no by brok. Ala you, karam pulo you. Bukan semua tu mas. Dia semua pulo hari kita.
Are you correct?
Ino good. You must read them all book of them. Number 1, number 2. Stand them all page good. Wait, you try no page na you. Ino good. Look, you stand like a mal maklayan no. You must stand them slow. Semya. On top. Middle. Stand them. Semya. No. And lastly, and we start putting back puglo you. But you know putting back no outside the ground or foul by just sit lemon time. No. Run by no kakai, small pignini by no running. But you must put them the one good flapless.